Hello, today I'm in a Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Simply press this button to activate cruise control. Now, accelerate to desired speed and press set button to start cruise control. Now you can let acceleration pedal go. And now, if you want to increase the speed, press plus button. If you want to decrease it, press minus button. If you want to pause cruise control, press cancel. And now, if you want to start it from the first set speed, press plus button. If you want to start it from the current speed, press set minus button. And if you want to disable cruise control, press this button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.